We'll guide you through how to add a user in Stripe. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe dashboard by logging into your account at stripe.com. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll find a section called Team and Security. Click on that to start adding a new user. Now, you'll see an option for team members. Click on New Member to invite someone to your Stripe account. You'll need to enter the email address of the person you'd like to add. Make sure the email is correct, so the invitation goes to the right person. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a role for the new user. Roles in Stripe have different permissions, so pick one that best fits what this person will be doing. For instance, if they need to view payments or handle disputes, you might select the Analyst role. If they need to make changes to your account, consider the Administrator role. Once you've chosen the role, click the Invite button. Stripe will send an email invitation to the new user. They'll need to accept this invitation to join your team. You can always manage team members by returning to the Team and Security section in your settings. There, you can modify roles, resend invitations, or remove team members if needed. It's a good idea to regularly review who has access to your account for security purposes. And that's it for adding a user in Stripe. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.